hear the breath that carries me, a single note inside the silence, the ancient echo of the one I am. I walk as duty shaped by time, but something older moves in my hands, a memory rising like a dawn behind the eyes that look through sand. Undriven paths I write is a mirror made of light, a path I lay for me before this foam could breathe.